Hello and welcome to the OpenText Advanced Authentication demo. In this video, we will show you how to use the custom branding policy to customize the appearance and experience of OpenText Advanced Authentication web portals. You will learn what the custom branding policy is, the purpose of the policy, how to customize web portals, an example of how to customize the look and feel of web portals. The custom branding policy allows you to customize the look and feel of the web portals and login pages of the web events. By configuring this policy, you can change the title, logos, background colors, copyrights, and so on. Custom branding is not just about the page aesthetics. It also contributes to security awareness and user confidence in the authentication process. Key benefits includes brand consistency with portals that align to your organization's standards, user trust that they are interacting with a legitimate and secure authentication system, enhanced user experience by tailoring the UI elements such as the title, logo, and colors. You enhance the overall user experience. Administrators can customize the OpenText Advanced Authentication web portals such as the help desk, report, new enrollment, and administration portals, etc. Adam Bandari is an administrator for the ANMA Group company. Adam wants to customize all the web portals as per the ANMA Group standards using the custom branding policy. He wants to customize the application bar title and title text color, logo and title URL, title background color. Let's see how Adam does it. To configure the custom branding policy, Adam must first log in to the administrator portal. Click Policies. The list of policies will appear on the screen. Click Custom Branding. When you make any modifications, you can preview the changes you have made in the sample application bar placed on the top of the page. Specify the title ANMA Group that will display in the application bar. If the Show Title text is set to off, the title in the application bar will be hidden. This option is set to on by default. Specify the URL that the user is redirected to when they click on the logo and title. In this example, Adam is setting this URL. Set the Use Logo Image in App Bar option to off. To hide the logo, the Use Logo in App Bar option is set to on by default. Click the Choose File button and select the logo image that will be displayed in the application bar. Here, Adam is selecting this image. Ensure that the resolution of image must not exceed 200 by 200 pixels. The image must be in the .png format. To change the title text color, specify the color code or click the Choose Custom Color button to choose the required color. Here, Adam selects the black color. You can see that the title text color is changed to black. To change the title background color, specify the color code or click the Choose Custom Color button to choose the required color. Here, Adam selects the aqua color. You can see that the title background color is changed to aqua. The Blend to Background Color option allows the administrator to add and blend the two different background colors horizontally. This option is set to off by default. In this example, Adam wants to blend the two background colors of the title as per the ANMA Group company standards. To fuse two different colors for application bar, Adam sets this option to on. This makes the background color right option editable. In this example, Adam is selecting the dark cyan color to blend from the right side of the application bar. You can see that the dark cyan color is blended in from the right side of the title bar. The purpose of the Use Custom Branding file for web authentication option is to customize the OpenText Advanced Authentication login page, which we will cover in the next video. Click Save. Once the page is refreshed, you can see the changes in the login page title bar. Let us now see the reports portal's look and feel after customization. After Adam logs in, we can see whatever changes he has made to the app title, app logo, text color, and background color. All the customization appear on this portal successfully. Thank you for watching.